An engineering company was suffering costly breakdowns and a potential health and safety issue. South Carolina firm, which assembles automotive components, including E-coats for corrosion protection, was suffering the repeated stop-start of machinery and had to replace component seals on a regular basis. The E-coat process liquid was coating the seal with a film, hardening on the faces and other components, causing it to fail, resulting in a backup of jobs and the company not meeting production quotas. On top of this, the potentially toxic E-coat was leaking onto the floor. Thankfully, they called AESSEAL, who steered them in the right direction. AESSEAL immediately identified the ideal solution, a Kirk seal, which boasts a high flushing capability. The continuous flush over hard faces has kept the seal clean. In addition, the barrier fluid tank has been removed, ending the continuous, labor-intensive job of cleaning the contaminated tank and simplifying the process of installation and maintenance. The seal has now run for 18 months without a problem. In the same time frame, the company would have ended up changing the original component seal 6 times, spending an estimated $32,000 extra per year in the process. Plus, the operators are no longer risking contact with leaking chemicals from a failed seal. This company was delighted it called AESSEAL. Why don't you do the same?